Good morning, good morning. I am back. Sorry, I have been away for a long break, a few weeks, and let me tell you, it was needed. That break was needed. That break was so much needed. I needed to recoup myself again. For my mental health, I needed to take a break from social media. I needed to take a break from trading live. Um, and I must say, it really improved my trading. It improved my patience in the market. It improved the way I see myself as a trader, my mindset, which is very much important in trading. Your mindset is, you need to look after your mindset. Now, back to the markets. We are seeing crazy movements in the market, especially the gold market as well. Crazy moves, crazy movement. This is due to political unrest, political instability. We are seeing trade wars happening. The economy is just at a brink where it's actually good and it's bad for traders. There's a lot of momentum in the markets. There's a lot of volatility, but there's also a lot of news events happening. So you want to be vigilant. You want to be careful, but you also want to. We are we also want to capitalize on these movements and make sure that we actually make some money from the market. That's our goal. That's the reason why we trade. We make to make money, right? So I've been focused on the gold market, even though I took a break from social media. From I took a break from social media and I took a break from uh, group trading. However, I'm back. I was trading in the background. I was trading my funded challenge accounts. I was focused on trading funded challenge accounts, so I wasn't trading my personal account that much. While I was on this break of just getting back to myself mentally, redefine my trading for myself. I have a winning strategy. It's trading is 90% psychology, your mental capacity to make decisions every single day needs to be 100%. You cannot be doubting yourself. You cannot doubt yourself when you are in a trade. You cannot doubt your analysis when you are in a trade. And every single day for coming back to the market, making sure I am at my peak performance, making sure I am giving out good information, making sure I'm managing my trades well. So yeah, that is definitely something I did for myself by taking a break for the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I think it was 3 weeks. I just went ghost. I just did not speak to anyone. I just focused on my mental health, like I was saying. So we are back in the markets. I'm back this week, but just a disclosure. This week is Holy Week for me. I am a Christian, so I believe in Christ. And this week we have our Passover weekend. So I am on a break at work as well, and we are going to the mountains on Tuesday. So I'm going for a break. I'm taking a break, part of my mental break from and getting my energy and my capacity back is also going into nature. So I will be going to the mountain on tomorrow. We're driving up 2 hours away from where I live, 2.5 hours. Um, and there we will be in the mountain for a week. And then I will take a road trip visiting my aunt in Saron, and then we will drive to Hopefield. So we'll be taking a road trip all around, and then we will come back next week, Monday. So I will be back next week, Monday, with my live trades, right? This week I will not be live trading as I will be on the road. I won't take my laptop with me. I won't also have any signal or network where I'm going. It's completely off the grid. So, oops, yeah, I am grateful for where I am at currently. Okay, I'm gonna try to sit a bit closer so the lighting. I don't like the fact that the light is making it so. Yeah, it keeps on going dark on me. Okay, as long as I can see myself, let me just. All right, that looks much better. Let me just see. That looks much better to me, but I'm still feeling a bit. It's dark, eh? Now, I know maybe you are watching this live after I've been live. Um, because it's early in the morning. It's London session in my country. I did not post anything that I'm going to come live. I just decided to go live now. Because I've been away, and yeah, I just wanted to explain why I took the break and why it was necessary for me to take the break. Okay, coming back to the markets. So I'm currently in a gold trade, right? So I'm looking to scale in on this gold trade. As you can see, we've been bullish for this whole month of April. The market was just bullish. Now I've I identified a clear break-in structure here at 23384. This is where I'm looking at 3384 is where I look for price to come back to so I can get an entry and ride it all the way up. Now this level here, this is where I entered this morning, and this is where I exited 943 as soon as it broke, but I'm waiting for price to come back again. So I believe price will is heading to 3,400 on gold. Um, it's still early, it's before 10, so I will wait for price to make to see for the pullback how far the pullback will come. It might just come all the way down here and then decide to continue up, but we will see because these gaps needs to be filled. You see this gap here. This gap here needs to be filled before it can continue all the way up. So I'm waiting for price to come back to that area. As you can see, it's Monday also, and price is moving. It's moving in a one direction now. There's no structure yet. The market is trying to form a structure. So patience with the market to get. I saw some people taking sells. Not at this moment. I'm just waiting. I'll sit on my hands and wait for it to hit at 10. If it's not, if it hasn't pulled back by 10, then I will accept that I'll sit out on this day. And I'll come back, like I said, not tomorrow because I'm on a road trip, but next week, Monday, I will be back. Yeah, guys. So while I'm here, let's talk a bit about trading, and I'm going to be transparent with you. So lately, I've been focused on trading my funded challenge. Um, I don't want to disclose anything about the funded challenge because I'm still in the challenge, and I don't want to say my results because then I open myself up for criticism and like pressure from outside. I really want to trade this account for myself, and I want to trade this account for my own my stats, for my own data and my own stats. So when you trade for you have different goals. Some of us trade because we want to get out of our jobs. want to work a 9 to 5. Some of us trade because we just want the extra income. Some of us want to trade because we want to become millionaires. Depending on your goal, you will have different expectations from the market. Now, for myself, I've been telling myself that I always wanted to be an entrepreneur. I always wanted to be in the business side of things. I never really wanted to work in an office. I never really wanted to be office bound and slave away in a 9 to 5. I'm grateful for my job. I'm grateful for the income, for the opportunity that I have a job, because a lot of people in my country is unemployed. So I'm grateful for that. But I have come to that point in my life where I'm not fully feeling fulfillment in my job. So I learned the skill not because I want to become a millionaire. Yes, in the beginning, we all have that get rich quick scheme mindset, because we didn't understand at first what forex trading and day trading is actually really all about. You just hear it's about making money, but you don't really understand the depth of it, the 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 amount of studying, the amount of research that needs to go into your this career, and the amount of money that you need to go and to succeed in this career. You do need a big chunk of money. You need to have a source of income when you're learning to trade, because it's just easier for you to have money while trading, while learning to trade, while trying to build up a trading account. It's just better for your psychology. Now, I was I was told that when you have a cushion to trade with, it's much better to make consistent money. And I can attest to it. I agree, completely agree, because I've bought a 50K challenge account to trade with 4,000, because I'm not in a position where I can put $4,000 in my trading account currently, my own trading account, $4,000. And I am comfortable with trading with $4,000. My goal is just to make $200 to $300 in a day. I'm very transparent with you guys. That's in my currency. That is more than enough. It's between 3 and 5,000 rand for myself in my own currency per day. Now, if you make that kind of money in my country, you 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 are among the top earners. You are among the top earners. So my mindset with trading is not to chase the fast cars, to chase the big mansions. I want to make an income where I can have freedom, financial independence, that where I don't need a job. So I want my trading income to replace my my current income, which is my salary. And that is active income. But trading is also not passive income. Trading is it's a discipline. It's a skill, but it's a high income skill. And I've gained new respect for trading, for day trading, guys. In this 3 weeks where I took a break, I gained new respect for this high income skill. I gained new respect for money as well, where I was up with $600 and I wouldn't take the profit. The other day I was up $600. I wouldn't take the profits, and I ended up losing those profits because I overtraded and I wanted a certain amount. I wanted to because I took a loss the previous day of $800. I wanted to make up for that by over trading, and I lost that $600, not seeing that I was up on 1.5% on my account. And that was the things that I started to learn and see, like in myself. You're starting to lose respect for money, because now You are so used to seeing blues and you're making money and you lose money and you're making money that you're starting to get cocky in your mind. And it takes a lot of self-awareness, it takes a lot of self-reflection to get to this point where you understand what you are feeling and what you are, how, why are you behaving the way you are. So for me, I have learned in this past 3 weeks that when you make profits in the market, it is not because of your luck. It's not if it's not because of luck, it's not because of hope, it's because of skill. And your skill takes time to be developed. So for me, the time that I put in, the resources that I've put in, that I've invested in the skill, I cannot just throw it away by not wanting to take profits, things like that, or getting into trades too early and then sizing up too quickly. Things, those trading errors, those trading mistakes that I used to make. This past 3 weeks, I was journaling like crazy. I was reading books. I'm busy with Atomic Habits. That book, I am formulating new habits for myself around my trading while. Oh, I wanted to also share this with you guys. This book I am reading, Atomic Habits. If you've read that book, some of you might have read the book. What stood out for me is how you can formulate new habits by focusing not, and also the importance of not focusing on the goal or the outcome, but focus on the process. The process is more important. What is your process when you come to the market? Are you looking to make, are you focused on pups, or are you focused on market structure? Are you focused on your plan, or are you focused on the money? Are you focused on the process, or are you focused on the on money or the outcome? God has given me so much wisdom in these past 3 weeks where just took a break. I just needed my soul to rest. I needed to 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 be calm, to stay calm. I needed to seek God's face for my trading as well. I needed to be in that place where I am completely at peace, where I am at understanding that I am a trader and I need to perform every single day. I need to be at my best. I cannot be mentally tired and exhausted when I'm in the market. When you come to the market, it is you, it's based on your performance. The market is there, the market is moving, the market does what it wants to do. You are the one who needs to take the trade. You are the one who needs to manage the trade. You are the one who needs to select the proper risk. You are the one to make sure that you don't size up too hard or too big, too quick, and that you take profit, that you make money, that you are profitable at the end of the week. You are the one. And hence, I had to take care of me, because if I'm not okay, and many people were asking, are you right? What is happening? Guys, I am good. I am good. I just needed to take a mental break away from social media, from trading life, from giving of myself, from being involved, being around people, noise. It's becoming noise for me, and I cannot allow anything to distract me from my trading. I cannot allow people to distract me from my focus, from my goal, from what I am currently busy doing. So yeah, I am at a place. I'm at a place where I feel that you are profitable. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. But I want to help. I want to share my journey with others. I want to be transparent about what trading is really about. And this is trading. If you really trade, you will realize these type of breaks are necessary. These type of breaks are very much necessary for you as the trader. Take care of the trader. It's yes, it's all about the money. You want to make the money, but you also need to take care of your psychology. You take care of your spiritual. You take care of your physical body. You take care of your emotional being. You are not just a physical being. You are emotional being. You are spiritual being. So you require to you need to take care of all parts of your life. You cannot just be focused on one part of your life. Financial, you need to also take care of your marriage. If you are married, you need to take care of your relationships with friends, your family. You need to take care of your, make sure you take care of your body. You drink water, you sleep regular. And what I realized is also like I put so much pressure on myself by wanting to win and wanting to help other people. And it's a good intention, but even good intentions can turn out to be bad for you. So what I realized is that I am working full time. I'm trading. I am helping people make money. I am running my channel. I I do so many things. I'm married. I have responsibilities. And then I still put in so much time in myself. I put in so much time in others. So I too need a break. I too need to look at myself and give myself a break because I give a lot. I've traded from January to March non-stop. I traded in a group. I shared my analysis. I traded live. I help people manage their accounts. So for me, it became, I don't want to say it got too much, but for my mental health, I needed to take a break. So I hope you understand where I'm coming from and why it's important to take breaks sometimes and make sure you are okay. Because when you come to the market, you need to be okay. Okay, let's get back to the charts. All right, so what I'm seeing currently, I'm seeing a nice pullback. Price is starting to pull back. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Love the pullback, guys. Love the pullback. So we're just waiting for price to come back more before we enter. The patience, the patience. I'm about to enter a buy. All right, this pullback is looking good. This pullback is looking really good. Okay, gold, let's go. I like it. I like this pullback. As soon as it hits, it's as soon as price hits. I even have an alert here, as you can see. So as soon as price hit my zone, that's when I will enter. Let's go, let's go. Price might come all the way down and retest around here also. So we will wait for it. Let's put one in. But I do think it wants to come down more. All right, let's go. Let's go, let's go. All right, it's stepping now right into my zone. Let's go. I have a buy limit on this one. Doesn't look like it's triggering. Okay, let's see if it's gonna trigger my buy limit. It's almost there. 3,385. It's coming. It's triggered, triggered. Hmm. Okay, let's see, let's see. Okay, it's right at the entry now. Buy limit was triggered also now on this trade. Okay, so we are in. There goes the alert. Triggered 3,384. It's getting close to my stop loss. I think it's retesting this low here before it wants to shot up. It's retesting this low here. Okay, so let's see. Pullback was very deep and devious. That pullback was crazy with that week, young. Damn, that was a crazy week. So close to the stop loss. And it's 10 o'clock. The market is about to, London session is about to open. I won't lie, I am feeling jittery because anything can happen now. You see how the market is moving crazy. It shoots up so fast and down. If we can just break out of our demand zone, then I will feel a bit confident in the setup. It is Monday. That pullback, I was waiting for that pullback more than 2 hours because I came to the market at 8. So it's 10 o'clock now. So it's very busy, basically 2 hours. Ooh, that's good. That's good. It's out of our box. Let me just check up on my trades now. Okay, so my TP is around here because I have things to do today, so I won't sit in this tray for long. I just need to see. Okay, I can also remove this now actually because this was just to show I was waiting for the pullback. Once it breaks above this higher now, I believe it will reach our TP around 339, say 3397 or 3396. So let's go. Now it's just a matter of waiting for price to move. Just want to check something. As you can see on the 15-minute, strong bullish momentum coming in. But I need price to break above this area at least to be confident. But I like this pattern, the formation of the candlesticks. I definitely like it. At this point, I'm just trusting structure. However, I am watching this price action closely. If price breaks past these weeks here, I'm gonna close this trade. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I don't like that. What price is currently doing there? Um, what I do think is price wants to come back all the way down. It's probably wanna come and retest this low again and then set shoot up. Only time I will look for entry again is if price breaks past here. And that will be my entry. Yeah. But for now, nah, I don't feel this candle. Alright, let's see what gold is gonna do. Yup. Mm-mm. I think gold is gonna sell off. Once it breaks this week, I am out. Yup, it looks like it's going to sell off. I just need to take screenshot. Like I said in the beginning of the live, it is Monday. Friday was a holiday, public holiday. The markets wasn't moving. So the market is trying to gain structure, it's trying to make structure, form structure, and trading while that is happening is risky. So I'm not gonna take that chance. I'm just gonna sit it all out. I'll end the live in 15 minutes. I was hoping that price could give us signs that it wants to break this high, because I am thinking price moving to key area 3400. So yeah, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna happen now. But let me tell you, on the 15 minute, my zone, our demand zone is still being respected. It's still It's still very much bullish. It's just a matter of time of when. When though. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Jeez. No, I don't like how that candle closed. I thought that candle's gonna give us like close outside of our box. But it doesn't seem like. Let me see. That 15-minute candle also closed now. It's still closing in the box. It's not giving strong bullish momentum. Definitely not the type of formation I would have wanted to see, but according to structure, we are actually still bullish. You see how fast that thing is dropping. Now that's the thing with trading. You never know when that pullback is done. You never know when it's actually gonna start breaking out. So I'm gonna leave it. Wait for it to break to hit the stop loss. Then we know the setup is invalid. Don't give up on me now. See why is it even going berries? You filled all the gaps. Ellen, come pick up it. Whoa, look at that. That's beautiful, eh? That was a quick spike up. That was such a quick. That was the momentum I was looking for the whole time. Let's go. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Yep. It looks good, eh, on the 15 minute. I have to say, I'm starting to get confident now in the setup. What the and the structure looking great. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Okay, that is the type of move that I was waiting. Sorry for that. That's the move I was waiting for. Let's go now. It was worth it to wait for the setup to start to pull back. Let's go, gold. Let's go. I'm still in the stride. I'm still waiting for TP to hit. Yeah, we must be patient with the TPs also. Take a bit longer than usual, but yeah, I'm gonna sit in this. I'm gonna sit in this road, wait for my TP to get hit. 3396 is it? That's where I'm gonna get out. Still far from there. Okay, it's coming good together now. It's coming together now. Now this is the reality of trading. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. Must wait for your trade setup to play out. And it's easy just to take profit now, but that's not the plan. You know, you're up in profits, you want to take the money. There is not a plan. Trade your plan, not your emotions. You are seeing me live trading this and taking my profit at my TP. Okay, we're almost there. We are almost there. We're almost there. Let's go. One more push. One more push. Let's take some money. I took my money on my one account. Think I'm gonna take my money. I'm good. I'm really good. I'm gonna take my money. All right, and that is it for today. I do think price is gonna reverse now, so I just took my money. I just closed now. We made some profits, and that's the most important part. That's the most important. Remember, my stop loss got hit, so I recovered my losses. Um, London trading session. Let me just see. My 3, 4, 5, $600 back, but I lost like $300. Thank you, gold. I am happy. I'm closing the day. I'm good. I'm good with my profits. Let me just take a screenshot. I'm gonna take it a $300 day. Was gonna be a $600 day, but then yeah, my stop loss got hit on the first interim. Thank you guys for tuning in. I see you next week. Stay tuned. Live. Peace out. It's your girl Merrily. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the broadcast. I am back, guys. I am back.